coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Acecook Sapporo Ippai Miso, which means shrimp fermented bean curd flavor. It'll be good or it'll be bad. That's the way I look at it. Hopefully good. So there's that. Where is our... And then there's a magic sachet that comes along with it. This one goes for 3 minutes. So let's add our water in. The next one, though. Oh boy, folks. I'm excited about the next one. The next one is going to be a magical foray into wonderment. There we are. Lid on top, sachet on top, as is the way, and start. Let's put you over here. I don't want to obfuscate the clock. There you go. I do not need water for the next one. So the next one I'm doing will be review number 4,500 on www.theramenraider.com. We're now in the 1700s of episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. That's pretty exciting. That's a lot. Kind of a lot of noodles. So yeah, it stopped snowing. I have a feeling it's going to start again. It's just about 10 a.m. here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington, where it's cloudy and it's coated in sky chowder. Getting close to Christmas. I'm good on Christmas already. It's I don't know. It's a tough one, but I think it's going to be done soon and all will have gone well. We will see. I'm really crossing my fingers that this ends up good. My wife has been in a lot of pain lately, really like barely maintaining it. It's horrible. Doctors and junk. I don't know. Hopefully soon. It's just been hell. So good vibes all around, and yeah, we'll get through it. But she's been dealing with like horrible chronic pain since she had COVID back in January. And we're looking at January in like what? This is the 20th? 12 days, it'll be January. So yeah, the last January, on January 17th, I ended up lucky for me, going to the ER, going to the ICU, hanging out, meeting some neat people, and then coming home. And then that weekend I ended up doing 10,000 steps for a step challenge thing, which worked out, but yeah. Crazy year. Yeah. I don't know. A lot of good things this year, a lot of crummy things this year. Next year will be wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. They just handed down the January 6th people just sent the stuff for Trump, saying the Justice Department should go after him. And they're like, well, they don't have any prosecutorial power. But then again, it's just like, oh, come on. They just did an 18-month exhaustive, thing about it. So I think dude's screwed. And the only person to blame is himself. Don't believe that guy. I feel bad for the people that follow that guy and believe anything that he says. You guys got suckered. And it's lame. It's not right. Bad man. Yep. But what can you do? I don't know what to do. I just watch. I'm a spectator. The corrosive world of American politics, ladies and gentlemen. Well, maybe it goes really good with the soup. Oh. Plenty of ingredients straight aren't good. I'm giving this thing a fair shake. I give them all a fair shake. That's what I try to do. So shrimp, miso, Sapporo, let's give it a try. Leave me alone. It's our broth. Give that another try. I think there's a shrimp shell in this. Not very miso, I gotta say. I don't know what kind of miso they're using, but it's got the slight earth tone of fermented bean curd or fermented soybean doings and conspirings. But new bowl alert, new bowl alert. I got this at H Mart. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? I've been wanting to get more bowls because I get all these freaking cups from Zen Pop. And it's all about having the right size bowl to deal with cup versions. And that is about right. Cool. Oh God, they're playing with the echo. Miles is like really into Sonic the Hedgehog. Although we don't have anything to play Sonic the Hedgehog, he's into the cartoons. I don't know if you knew, but there's cartoons. I never played it. But he's into all the characters and Sonic and Tails. He's not at all into the bad guy thing, the echidna. Let's get rid of some of this. Okay. Okay. I want those little floaters. Okay, that's better. Yeah, what's the bad guy's name? Knuckles. He doesn't care about Knuckles. He's into the Sonic and Amy. In fact, he calls Mimi Amy constantly. Which is like, it's not her name, dude. But she goes along with it. She's a good sport most of the time. Torch. And let's add some Narutomaki. I haven't done any reviews in a few days. It's kind of weird. I was all worried about hitting my 4,500th review before the new year, and I'm going to do that today, and it's the 20th. So that's well ahead of schedule. Let's do a little bit of shichimi on this, why don't we? Yeah. Is there anything else I want to put on here? I don't think so. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I like this new bowl. This is just like the exact perfect size for a noodle cup, don't you think? I certainly do. So you do too, right? Sure you do. All right, thanks for watching. I'm super pumped. The next episode is going to be my 4,500th one that I'll be reviewing on www.theramenrater.com. This is Nissan Ramen by Nissan Myojo of Brazil. This came by way of a guy named Kian. Thanks, dude. I really appreciate it. This is Doce, Sabor Beijinho. And Beijinho are these little things. See these little... Here. Little cream puff? Look at that. Come on. See those little things with the nubbins on them? Those are cloves. But I don't have any to go with it. But I went to a Brazilian place called Kitanda, and yeah. That will be the next one. I'm psyched about it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. See you tomorrow. Have a good one and bye.